Hello guys, welcome to my channel DT Subject Topics. I started this channel to provide some information to you which you may forgot or you don't know. So I want to provide some information for you. So let's take a topic like history for some days. Now, instead of directly jumping into the topic of history, first let's know what is history. So, as we all know, history is the story. History is the study of the of the things that happened in the past. But now, a bit deeper about the history. Let's see. As history is the story of people on planet Earth, and the people on the Earth has started evoluting 150,000 years ago or 1,50,000 years ago. So, what is the importance of history? So let's see about that. History allows us to understand a past, which in turn allows us to understand a present. So then, why is history studied? Let's see about that. History is studied to comprehend evolution of a past. So Herodotus was known as the father of history. By the way, he's a Greek historian in the 5th century BCE. By the way, he is known as the father of history because he attempted to put down the events of the past to help the people recall and remember the past. Now let's see about the prehistoric period in the first topic in the history. So prehistory describes the time that existed before any recorded history. Guys, if you can hear any type of noise, please bear, guys. I have some disturbance from here. Okay, now let's see about that. So, as we all know that dinosaurs have took the power and roamed around the earth millions of years ago. As they came into being around 201 million years ago during the Jurassic period. This period is also known as the age of reptiles, as dinosaurs also are known as the reptiles. The word dinosaur means terrible lizard. So it is named by a paleontologist, Richard Owen. So now we discussed just about the dinosaurs of the prehistoric period. Then let's discuss about the people of the prehistoric period. So all living things of this planet belong to have evolved from the Homo sapiens. Now, I think you can see the Homo sapien on the screen. So, Homo sapien. Let's see about the Homo sapien. So, Homo sapien is a word from a Latin. Homo sapien is derived from a Latin word meaning wise human. So they evolved into humans, owing to human beings developed from brains by Bill Gates, where one moves using two rear limbs or legs and opposable thumbs. As you all know that. Then evidence of this species was found in Africa, Middle East, and in Europe. So let's discuss about a bit more about Homo sapiens. So the Neanderthals are suspicious of the Homo sapiens lived between 300,000 or 3 lakh to 1 million or 10 lakh years ago. As they know how to hunt animals and build shelters. They were food gatherers and hunters. They also wore animal skins. They used rocks and bones to scrap off flesh and fat from skins to use them as clothing. So one more thing is that they have several differences from us present. So there were certain physical differences such as a larger brain to them, presenting chin and a projecting nose. Most importantly, they stood fully upright. So guys, let's see some more about the climatic change of the earth. So guys, you can see this is the ice age. I think there is a movie also some people would saw, but the world climate has remarkable changes around 1.5 million years ago. The climate became very cold. The drop in temperature led to the four periods of cold temperature called the Ice Age. Each age has been almost existed to between 40,000 years to 60,000 years. This impacted on man's activity much. So, let's see more about the people of the prehistoric age. I think you all could see this, the Stonehenge. Towards the end of the second ice age, with the climate getting warmer, many tribes of hunters and gatherers traveled to different parts of the world. These people had no definite literature, but they believed in some rituals that emphasized the manner in which their dead were buried. Hence, burial chambers were artifacts. In them have been found in numerous places, including Great Britain. Okay. So, guys, I think I have provided some information to you. So, if you like this, please share to your friends and like and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. And bye, guys.